Have you ever in your adult life thought that you'd have to worry about your food supply?
Have you ever before seen empty shelves in your local grocery store?
Or felt in danger when going there to purchase food for yourself and your family?
Have you ever before had to stand in line before you're allowed into the store and then been limited as to what you can buy once you're inside?
If you would like to take some control into your own hands, learn from two people who have successfully done it, skip the trial and error, unnecessary extra work and frustration, then we are your solution. I'm Logan Binney, and this is my mom,
Layla Binney,
and we are Purposeful Planting. We have a combined 7 decades of experience successfully providing 50 to 60% of all of our nutritional needs right in our own backyards, and we would love the opportunity to teach you to do the same.
Even if you apply only a small amount of the information that we're about to share with you and supply a mere 10% of your family's nutritional needs, you will have more than made back your investment by taking this course.
So if you are a homeowner or have a friend, family member, or neighbor with any usable amount of yard space, then please click the link below and come see what we have to offer.
Take an active role in feeding yourself and your family and avoid upcoming food shortages that threaten us.